Howdy y'all, I hope you guys are all doing well, I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you guys are healthy. Today I'm going to be bringing you yet another DIY video. It's going to be an extremely quick one. I expect this one to be like just only a couple of minutes. I'm basically just going to show you guys how to release the hem on your pair of vintage jeans. I'll give you some information, but there really isn't too much to talk about. But yeah. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I love talking about clothes and personal style. So if that's your thing, feel free to stick around for the video, and I heavily encourage you to check out any video of my channel. I really appreciate you guys. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So just a couple of points before I really get into showing you exactly how to do it. A released hem is definitely something that's been super trendy lately, super popular, I would say, and definitely something that looks really good. It adds a little bit of detail to the bottom of your pants, and if you're going to release release the hem of a pair of jeans, I highly suggest it be kind of a washed pair, because that's how you get the most contrast in your in the actual bottom hem of it. If you do a pair that is like really dark indigo or dark black, you don't really get a lot of detail, and let me show you exactly what I mean. There you go. That is probably the best shot that I can give you guys of regular hem compared to raw hem. Cool. It can add a little bit of length to your actual pant, like maybe like a ½ inch. It's not by very much, but if you are going to do this, I do highly suggest you get like maybe a little, just tiny bit shorter than what you usually buy as far as jeans go. I know vintage Levi's, what I usually wear, comes in a plethora of different sizings, especially lengthwise, so sometimes it can be a little difficult. I usually go with a 30, and that fits me right about perfect. The one that I'm going to be doing today, this blue pair, is a length 29, which can be a little bit rare, but I do it just because releasing the hem kind of elongates it by a bit. If you can see on this hem, there is a stitch in like orange, they usually call it pigskin colored thread. You're basically going to just be picking at those threads and taking them all out. Now, fair warning, if the hems of your jeans look like this, where they are frayed, they may result in a couple of holes at the bottom, and that'll be more evident when I show you guys exactly how I do it. Alright, and once you're done basically picking every single stitch on that hem, circling the actual bottom of the pant, then you can go from this and just unravel it. There will be a lot of loose threads, there will be a lot of just tiny little scraps coming off, but done just like this, you get a nice and solid raw hem. And I say do this on a pair of washed denim because you get to see the differences between this and then the unwashed part here, and then you get that contrast, and it's a lot more bold. Now, what I was talking about earlier is that if the bottom of your hems are already frayed with the hem there, you're gonna get things like holes in them. They're not really that big a deal. You can reinforce them if you really want, but yeah, I mean, really, generally speaking, that is how you get the raw hem. It will keep folding up on you, so to really just finalize this project, I highly suggest you throwing them in the wash, and then really just the wash. I hang dry my jeans, so yeah, just throw them in the wash. They'll fray a little bit more, and they'll end up looking like the raw hem, not raw hem, but released hem denim that you want to emulate so well. So boom. Yeah. Very nice, very quick one. Now, I will say that there is a difference between raw hem and released hem. A released hem starts with this and ends like this. Whereas a raw hem, basically you just cut it straight and it's just fraying and no added detail. I think released hem adds a really nice detail to it. I'm not a big fan of raw hems, but released hem is definitely super, super cool. Now, yeah, I think that's really all I have to say about this one. That's all I got. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments down below. I really hope I captured how to do it well enough for you guys to understand if you don't know how to do it. But, yeah. Throw it down in the comments down below if you have questions. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you need to do. Do what you do. DM me on Instagram if you need to get a little bit more advice on how to do it. But, yeah, until the next video, I will catch you guys later.